So in this release, earlier, most of the things, whatever was there, was majorly regarding the time issue and more about sign up issue, that we were not
Okay.
able to create sign up, there was wrong format or all those things. So we have sorted the sign up issue. OTP was failing. So I'll try to connect with my other device and once try to create the try to test the sign up flow in front of you, right?
Okay.
And
Okay.
then I'll mute from here and join from my Android device.
Okay.
Is my voice audible, Anish?
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Fine. I'll start presenting my screen. Okay. So this is my applied app and I'll directly start with the sign up process.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'll give the name as demo.
Okay.
And it's March. Then I'll give the ID as demo March 12 at yorkmail.com. I'll give the number as 1 minute. Okay, this I'll give my password as test @123. Again, my password is test @123. Right? I'll sign up. It will ask me for OTP. OTP for now I'll pick the OTP from my admin panel. But you can check with since we have used many numbers, so we are taking it as dummy OTPs, but you can try it from the live ones also.
Okay.
So it's 44646664. Submit. So it's accepted. Similarly, I'll also check the email OTP for this. It's 2323. Oh, sorry, 6017. 6017. Okay, so the verification is done successfully.
Mm-hmm.
And once I proceed with this, I can fill in all my details. So earlier what was happening is in this email ID, if you see, so in 1230, it was the minimum age now here is 18 years. And then user can edit his age from here. For example, if I take it as maybe 2000 and I want to put any of the date, so I can do that, right? But if I am trying to pick up any current date or maybe just less than this, maybe 2018, so it will throw me field missing. Okay, so uploading the image is compulsory. It was the initial requirement. Yeah, so I'll proceed.
Hey,
And if
Rajaram, I'll call you back.
Sorry?
Like it didn't throw any error for that date.
I'll call you back. I'm on another call. Sorry.
Anish, you are asking anything from me?
No. I just answered one call. Not a problem. Go ahead.
Okay. No
Gauri, but we didn't got any error. You told about some error
Which error?
on date of birth.
Yeah, it will show. 1 minute. I am skipping the profile, and once I submit this, no, it's showing me error. So this format has to be corrected because it's showing bracket, but it will show error. Please enter a valid DOB. So when I am submitting the profile, because there are multiple steps, so I'll again go back from here. And now I'll have to fill in my correct date. So now I'll put it as 2000. And now when I proceed, set up profile.
So, but it should throw error on that same page only, right? Not a different page. Like when we are
Correct.
going from that screen from the next, there only it should.
Yeah, so I'll check it in designs, Vivek, what was there, and might be all the errors might be thrown at the end only. So that is why it's there. Otherwise, I'll try to get this fixed. I'll
Yeah,
once
it
match it from the
should not
MyRobot.
be on the end, but yeah, please check because.
Yeah, I'll match it from MyRobot. Yeah, so this is the landing page. Now we have landed on successfully. So it's just the static pages. Earlier we were having pagination issue, but now we are able to see the post properly. And these are some of the fixed posts from the admin panel only, which a user must see so that his dashboard is not blank once he lands onto the landing page. And these are, for now I have no connection, so my network tab is blank. But now if you have your existing account, you can try with that also. Sorry. And suppose there is any community, the join was not working. Now I have the option, I can join that button. And if it's a business profile, then I can also follow this profile. So it's followed. I want to unfollow it. I can unfollow this particular profile. If I want to unjoin the community, we have this option to unjoin the community.
Okay.
Yeah. So chat, since no user is added onto it, but when we will have multiple users onto this dashboard, we may be able to chat through this. And I'll also, for some of the APIs, it's still taking too long. And we are addressing it in the upcoming sprints. We are taking care of all those things. I'll kill this application for now and then reopen it. So earlier
Why
we
it's
also
taking
had
so
an
much
issue.
time? Is it because on the test server?
Yeah, so it's some of the APIs are responding really slow, Anish. So we are checking. We have written it at our end only also, and taken a record of which APIs. We are taking a record of which APIs are responding slow, and we'll address it in the subsequent sprints.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Also in front end level, can you put like something like at some time out of this loading effect, like it should call API for some time, but after I think 2 minutes it should time out. Otherwise, like user need to kill the app like you did right now.
Yeah, so Vivek, the major concern here is we are getting this app after too long. So considering it from the very scratch, we are first trying to fix the UI level issue and then we are majorly going into functionalities. Like previously, we were even not able to switch the tabs, but now we are first taking the issues like login, then sign up. Now we
Okay,
will
bigger.
focus
I'm
on
just
building.
asking you to like keep this record so that like you can fix it later.
Yeah, I'll note it at my end, and maybe in the subsequent sprints, what we can do, we can put a time that the application may kill itself or something like that. Let me
Yes.
note it at my end, and I'll also ask my QA to address this issue.
Yes.
So, more or less, now you can create the account, Anish, and you can once try at your end also. And 1 minute, I'll leave from here and. Okay. Is my voice audible now?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So this was more about the sign up because in this sprint we were focusing on the sign up part, and we are really sorry to tell about the web, but one of our expert is hospitalized and he has been suffering from severe jaundice. So instead of that, we have replaced that. We have for now, I don't know, maybe 24 days leave was there. So we have replaced that expert with another expert only. And we might be shipping not with the other build, but we'll try to ship a build in mid for the web also. So if I show you, most of the issues were done at our end. We have it in the sheet also. I'll try to show you. 1 minute. Please confirm I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So this is for web. And for web, this is all. If you see, the expert has resolved this. We just need the deployment part. Right. This is also the same. So since the expert was not keeping well, we have already onboarded the expert and we'll try to share you the web build also in a few days. Not with the other build, but prior to that only I'll try to ship.
What is this WIP means?
Work in
Work in
progress.
progress. Okay.
Yeah. So this is actually resolved. These are the QA comments. So QA has commented that the expert has resolved this. We just need to deploy the build to the UAT server.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is just issue. So most of the issues have been resolved, whatever we were facing the token issue. And for the Android, we have changed the status. Most of them is there. There are few known issues that we were facing, which is like profile image. For some of the profiles, the image is still not opening. It's not about the profile that I have created, but some of the profiles of maybe my connections or my network tab. For those, we are trying to figure out there is some issue in uploading their profile image. So that needs to be fixed and it will be addressed in sprint 3 only. So all these issues will be addressed in sprint 3 along with sprint 3 original issues.
So this sprint only sign up issue was done? Or
Sign up issue and other whatever issues are listed here, majorly was sign up issue, OTP was failing. Then we have login moving to other tabs, no community was displayed. We were not able to move between different tabs. Then when we were scrolling the post was being stuck and the pages were being stuck. We were not able to see the there was a lot of time lag between this. So suppose if we are moving to my connections, then options, then there was a lag of 20 to 30 seconds between switching of the tabs. But now we are able to move all those tabs. And then majorly, if we see, it was more about the sign up flow.
okay. Anish,
Okay.
what issue I sent you? Did you inform like Gauri or post it somewhere?
No, I did not do it. I thought you were trying to send it, right?
No,
Yeah.
I was trying to do that. I don't have any the permission, I think still.
Vivek, let me check because I invited you the same day only. From my side, I can see that you are added.
Like for that, I can create
Okay.
that